YouTube monetization and terms of service are changing, and you will have to agree to these new terms of service, or your channel might actually be removed from the YouTube Partner Program. Recently, we got the announcement that YouTube has changed the way that they handle contracts for the YouTube Partner Program and monetization. This includes all existing monetized content creators on YouTube, as well as people who want to apply to the YouTube Partner Program once they meet the requirements, whether that's the standard requirements or the new expansion for YouTube Shorts. And one of the first things you need to know is that if you're already a YouTube content creator that is in the YouTube Partner Program and already has a monetized channel, that you will already be eligible for YouTube Shorts monetization through Shorts ads. You will have to sign the new module. That's what they're calling these amendments to your partner program contract. You have to sign the new contract module that is specific to Shorts monetization in order to earn from that. Whenever we have an update in the future, it will be through these contract modules, as they're calling them. And so you need to make sure you're keeping up with that. It's probably going to come through your creator dashboard in many cases. It may come from an email. You have to make sure that it's coming from a Google email though, because this is a ripe opportunity for scammers to send fake phishing emails and hijack your channel. I've done a video on protecting your YouTube channel from scams like this, but I will probably make an updated video in the future, but I'll link to my previous video on it in the description of this video down below. In terms of signing the base agreement, if you don't sign the base agreement for the YouTube Partner Program before July 10th of 2023, you'll be removed from the YouTube Partner Program, and if you want back in, you will have to not only reapply, but you might have to requalify, meet the requirements all over again. So you have more than enough time, if you're watching this video anytime before July 10th, to go ahead and make sure you've signed those contracts and that you're up to date and that you're still going to be in the YouTube Partner Program and earning revenue. As for YouTube Shorts, you'll be eligible to start earning money from YouTube Shorts as early as February 1st. The payouts for this will obviously happen a month later in March. However, you'll start earning money, start the clock on earning either on February 1st if you've signed the agreement by then. If you sign the agreement for YouTube Shorts later than February 1st, then your accumulation will start from the date that you sign. This also marks the end of the YouTube Shorts Creator Fund. The YouTube Shorts Creator Fund will officially be ending, according to YouTube, on February 1st, 2023. The last payouts will probably be in March as a result of that for the Creator Fund, and that is being discontinued. So the only way to earn money from your YouTube Shorts will be through the partner program. And so that means you have to be a monetized creator that's in YouTube's partner program, YPP. And you can earn from ads on Shorts in the Shorts feed, and you will also be able to earn from super thanks donations from your audience on Shorts. I've done a detailed video about the Shorts revenue split, which is different than the regular ads on YouTube. It is a pooled split, and I break down the numbers and the 45-55 split, as well as the Shorts super thanks 70-30 split. All of that is broken down in my YouTube Shorts monetization video. That'll be linked in the description down below if you want all the details on making money from your YouTube Shorts. Since YouTube Shorts ad revenue will be starting in February, the payouts for that should be reflected in your YouTube dashboard and your payout, whichever payment method you're using, whether it's direct deposit or what have you, or a check. You should start to see that in March. If you have Shorts that are monetized in February, you should see a payment for those probably coming through as early as March. Something you will need to know is that your previous Shorts that you've made, if you're in the YouTube Partner Program, can start earning money for ads against those Shorts in the short feed. You may have to manually turn ads on for those videos, but they will automatically be eligible if you're already in the Partner Program and you've signed the module for YouTube Shorts in your contract. If you're on the desktop, you can go into your YouTube dashboard and you can do a bulk selection to turn monetization on for those Shorts videos if you go ahead and you tab over to them. That's going to be really convenient for a lot of you with massive inventories of Shorts videos that you've been making up until now. I don't believe there's a feature like this on mobile. That may come at a later date. We know that a lot of you, we've been looking at this. I've talked to YouTube about it. We know that a lot of you actually do almost all your work on your mobile device if you're a shorts creator. So I do expect them to start updating the YouTube Studio tool to give you a few of the power features that those of us over in desktop land have enjoyed up until now. So, just keep an eye on that. If they do make a massive change like that, I'll make sure to cover it on my YouTube channel. We don't know what the CPM and RPM rates will look like compared to normal videos. I have some thoughts on that, and I'll probably talk about that in one of my upcoming live streams, but we don't have conclusive evidence or data around that. A lot of creators are going to be hitting me up in Twitter, DMs, and sharing a lot of that information with me. As people share more of their data and what their payouts look like on YouTube Shorts, I'll be sharing that information with all of you, and we can start to get a feel for how much creators are earning with Shorts monetization on ads. And that transparency actually helps the whole community when it happens. So thank you to everybody who constantly shares data with me on the CPMs and RPMs for their different niches, for their different formats, and all these different things. It actually really helps a lot. Remember that you do have to sign the base agreement as well as the update modules in order to earn from Shorts. Once you sign the base agreement, you have to sign these other amendments to earn in these other ways. The base agreement just is what keeps you in the YouTube Partner Program. But if you want to monetize the Shorts, you're going to have to sign that one as well. There's also other features, and there will be other modules that might come out in the future as YouTube expands more creator monetization. I believe that there are at least maybe 2 more methods of earning money that'll be announced fairly soon before the end of the year. So really looking forward to that. Remember, you have until July 10th, 2023 to sign the base agreement for YouTube monetization, or you may be kicked out of the YouTube Partner Program and have your content, your entire channel demonetized there. There's also some new updates in terms of the policy that you might want to look at when it comes to profanity and cursing on YouTube. If you guys feel like that deserves a dedicated video, I'll probably look into doing that for some of you. But YouTube has actually posted some information about this that I'll link to in a help article in the description down below. Also, I have a video planned because there are about roughly 7 things you could do that could get your videos demonetized at this point, and I think it's worth covering all of them in a dedicated video, so you'll want to make sure that you're coming back and you check that out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you're checking out my video on YouTube monetization for Shorts. I think a lot of you have missed some key details, so I'll link to that in the description down below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, go out there and create something awesome today. Take care.